A rare bear call from Microsoft. Our next guest just became the only analyst with a sell rating on the stock, out with a new downgrade this morning. Price target of $212. That is an 11% drop from where Microsoft is today. Let's get a closer look with Guggenheim Partners analyst John DiFucci. John, good morning to you. Lay out what you see that the rest of the street doesn't right now.
Good morning, Deidre. I'm not sure I see anything the rest of the street doesn't see, but what we do see is a prolonged macro downturn. So that's a premise to all of our calls, not just Microsoft. And by the way, let me just start by saying this is a great company. Software companies are generally very good companies. It's a great business model. And Microsoft is one of those big ones that has a lot going on. But what we do see is when we look at each one of their businesses, we see trouble ahead. Maybe most important is the Windows business. Satya Nadella, CEO, maybe the only thing he's said that's wrong since he's been at the helm is that the PC is seeing a renaissance, which implied that it was going to have the staying power on the back of COVID, seeing the PC shipments jump. Well, PC shipments are not good, and they're not going to be good. They're actually coming down more. Recent shipment data is worse than people expected it to be. Windows is only 12% of Microsoft's revenue, but it's more than 20% of its profit. When you put on top of that, and I'm sorry, there's a couple of other things. Azure, just quickly. Well, Azure is disappointed the last 2 quarters, but go ahead. I'm sorry.
You know, I want to press you a little bit because you say you're not sure you're seeing it any differently than the rest of the street, but this is a company with a mean target price of $285. You are at $212. So what brings Microsoft down? It may have good management. It may have a great enterprise customer base, but what actually brings it down? What are you so bearish on?
I think that if you do see the Windows business underperform and that starts to affect the bottom line and cash flow, which it will, that brings it down. The other thing that really drives Microsoft stock is the Azure business. The Azure business has disappointed the last 2 quarters, and guidance was much lower for this quarter. So I think the perception is they're going to do better than that this quarter. But if they don't do a lot better, which we don't think they might, things that would drive the stock down also.
John, tell us about your thinking behind the sell, because the sell, I don't know, it's like a black squirrel or, you know, a clean raccoon. You hardly ever see those on Wall Street. You put a sell on Salesforce, Workday, Snowflake, and Okta, I believe, back in August. That turns out to be pretty right. How do you feel about the enterprise category overall, and how does this Microsoft sell fit into that context?
Well, John, you brought up August. We had 4 cells we launched with. I think we tripled the number of cells here at Guggenheim on that call. And everyone thought, well, wow, he's really cautious or negative. By the way, we love software. We think software is a great, if I could invest in anything, I'd invest over the long term in software. But there are times when you don't want to be there. And we think this is one of the times. By the way, you know, the reason we upgraded 3 of those cells was because they went down through our price targets. So listen, by the way, putting a sell on Microsoft, just quickly, like we've had a sell on Microsoft before, and we've been all alone with that sell, and we've been dead wrong. Okay. We don't want to be wrong. I got a lot of emails today saying, okay, DiFucci's got a sell, time to back up the truck. We understand that. But if the stock goes down to 212, 210, like that, it's a good company. It's probably, and by the way, this isn't going to be something that gets better next quarter or the quarter after that, or maybe not this year. And in tech investing, a year is a really long time.
So chances are you go straight from a sell to a buy, you think?
I'm not saying that. We're going to see how the stock reacts. One of the things I'll say too is, listen, I've been on the buy side.
Yeah.
So for a few years, it doesn't make me any smarter than anybody else. Just makes me have that experience. And I understand what our clients have to go through, what they're dealing with. They have to be nimble, and we're trying to be a little bit of that here on the sell side.
Right.
John, we got to leave it there.
That's very reasonable. Thank you. It's not that often that we get an analyst with a sell, right, John, especially in tech. So thank you.